Oh, the gray Kia? All right, okay.
No, that's it right there.
Okay, I see it. Okay. The Edward King 74393, it's heading north in the field. They said there's still one in the store. Washington 28 terminated. They went through the red light at College, 24, speed over 100. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can will be used against you in court of law. Okay. You have the right. You move again, I'm going to put you on the ground. Do you understand?
I did.
You were going to take stuff, but you did. Right? Is that what you're saying? So you were going to take stuff, you're going to steal stuff, but you did.
Yeah.
On January 22nd, 2025, a Washington, Illinois Walmart shoplifting call produced $4,000 in citations, felony flight charges, and a live Miranda compliance question. The real issue here is not whether theft occurred. It is what the law required before a single question could legally be asked. Handcuffs plus questioning equals custodial interrogation under Miranda versus Arizona. That ruling mandates 4 warnings, the right to silence, that statements may be used in court, the right to an attorney, and appointed counsel if the person cannot afford one. 2 of those 4 were delivered on camera before questioning began. That gap is the legal exposure.
A can will be used against you in court of law. Okay. You have the right. You move again, I'm going to put you on the ground. Do you understand your right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can
Hold
I
on. So why am I here today?
I don't have nothing to do with that. I'm telling you, I don't have nothing to do with that. You looking for some people, but I literally was with some people, but I don't have nothing to do with that. Somebody just gave me $10. That's what's in my hand. That's what I'm trying to tell you.
Okay.
Can you put it in my pocket?
Okay. So you don't have anything to do with what? What are you talking about? You came with some people. Where did they go?
I don't know where they went, but they left me. Like, I came in here to use the phone, and that's my $10. Like, you can literally ask them. I don't know where they...
Do you have an ID or anything on you?
My ID's not with me, but I'm 22 years old. I don't have no reason to lie to you or nothing.
Well, it'll go a lot better for you if you don't lie to me.
I'm not lying. I'm not lying to you. I'm literally telling you the truth. Somebody gave me $10. Like, literally. I came in here and asked them, because I'm not from out here. You feel what I'm saying? I came out here with some people. Literally. I don't have no reason to lie. I'm from Peoria.
They don't have Walmart and Menards in Peoria? Why'd you choose these ones?
I was with some people. I wasn't driving. You feel what I'm saying? I'm not going to lie to you. Because I'm telling you the truth, you feel what I'm saying? If anything, they need to come too. Like, I'm not finna go to jail for nobody. You feel what I'm saying?
Let's back up a little bit. You were with some people.
Yes, they left me.
Who were you with?
I was with my cousin.
Who's that?
One of them name is Kamaya. The other one named Bree. Feel what I'm saying? And I'm not finna be. You feel me? I'm not finna go to jail for nobody.
So what did you guys come over to Walmart for?
They wanted to come to Walmart.
For what?
I didn't know I'm not gonna lie to you. I didn't know what they was doing. You feel what I'm saying? They didn't tell me what My bad. They didn't tell me. No, because I'm kind of nervous. You feel me? They didn't tell me what they was doing.
Okay.
You feel me? I literally was scared, so I asked somebody.
It's all on video, then I'm going to look at that, okay?
So let me ask you this question. So you weren't going to Walmart to steal?
No, that's not what I was doing.
So then why are you carrying an empty backpack and the only thing in there is Walmart?
I'm not going to lie to you.
Then don't lie to me.
I feel like you're not being truthful.
No, I did come with them, you feel what I'm saying? Like, came with them, I did.
You were going to take stuff, but you did. Right? Is that what you're saying? So you were going to take stuff, you're going to steal stuff, but you did.
Yeah, like they literally, you feel what I'm saying? They literally like, come on, and I'm literally telling them, like I'm literally looking for them, and they gone. You feel what I'm saying? Like, I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm really scared because they're not.
There's nothing to be scared of.
You're not going to get hurt. We're not going to hurt you.
No,
we're just trying to figure
that.
out what's going on. Okay?
I know that, but it's just like, yeah, I might have ran from the lady because I really, you feel me? I wasn't planning to come out here. You feel what I'm saying?
Okay, but you did say you were coming out here to steal, but you just didn't take anything.
Yeah,
so you attempted to steal, but you just didn't take anything.
Like,
did you get scared? Did she see you and scare you, or what happened?
I don't, like, sir, I'm really gonna be honest with you.
You know.
She's kind of scared. She kind of scared me a little bit.
Scared you, so you decided you weren't going to take the stuff? What all were you coming to take?
I mean, I was going to give me some of those because, like I said, I really hopping from house to house. You feel what I'm saying? I ain't going to lie to you.
You're trying to get what? Clothes or food or what?
Like, I was trying to get some clothes. You feel what I'm saying? And I'm not from out here.
Is there anything on you that's going to stick me, poke me, hurt me? Any weapons, anything like that?
No, can you make sure my money goes with me?
I just got to check and make sure you don't have anything on.
Like in my pocket, can you put my money in my pocket?
I don't want to put it in that pocket because that pocket.
No, not that one. I'm talking about the one on my pants.
You're looking for a full-size white van, are you?
No, the one I was chasing went through the field and
Yeah.
took it's like Dukes of Hazzard.
I don't have nothing.
Yeah, they ditched her. They left her here.
Excuse me.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll make sure my lip gloss and my
Yeah, I'll make sure we get all
and my
that.
money with me.
We'll put it
so
in
you
there.
making sure I don't have no warrants?
I'm just making sure you don't have it and that you are who you say you are.
I am.
Whose car is it?
It's Kamaya Small. If I don't have any warrants or anything, then can you take me back to Peoria?
We shall see, okay?
Because I don't have no way. Like they literally left me.
What's that?
That's not mine.
That's in your bag.
They got that from another store though. The girl, who card is, they mom, that's her.
But where was this stolen from?
She got that from Walmart in Peoria,
Walmart in Peoria?
on University.
Kamaya Gibbons. Why do you have Kamaya stuff in your bag?
Because that bag is not mine. That bag is Kamaya. If you understand what I'm saying. That bag's not mine. Can my money and stuff goes in my pocket, my money in my chassis, because that bag's not mine.
Yeah, we'll make sure everything gets done. All right, let's walk out here to the car. We're going to get back over the wall.
Alright. Like they voted for leaving me. Because I'm not finna go in jail
Washington
for
20.
no
Can you sound X 2 people for me, please?
Are you buckling me up?
Because we're going over to Walmart. You got to wear your seatbelt.
But these is, can you unloosen these some? Cause
Loosen them. Loosen them how?
like they a little bit too tight.
Turn and let me feel them here. I can get a whole finger in both of them. If anything, they should probably be a little bit tighter. I won't put your seatbelt on so you can lean forward, okay? Since we're just going across the parking lot, all right?
But see, I'm not gonna go to jail for nobody because I'm not the.
I'm not sure who all the parties are that were involved or whatever.
So right now, just with those two, this is all push out. I mean, none of this is
I
before.
thought I paid with a firm. I thought it went through. I didn't know it didn't go through until he told me at the door. That's why I gave him the card back. Because I thought it went through. Bro, like on some real life being respectful, G. All that shaking your hand I'm not with that. Like that, I said my firm card didn't go through. If I wanted to push that card out, I could have pushed it out. That's what I'm saying. Oh, she being mad disrespectful. Dead ass. I told you my firm card didn't
Stop for
work.
1 second.
Wait, y'all let us talk and we
No,
gonna let y'all talk.
I'll
Like,
talk in a minute. You'll get a chance in a
I don't
minute.
care.
I've
I
asked you
don't
several
care.
times, and I'm asking you to be quiet. It's
And
suspicious.
I told you I understood that. We
let me-
black, it's gonna be suspicious.
I'm
We
going to-
black people buying
Let
hella
me
shit.
know when I
They
can
gonna
finish.
think we stealing.
Let me know I can finish, because right now we're not getting anywhere. It's suspicious when I have two people, as cold as it is, running and walking fast and going across the parking lot. When I see somebody drop a bag, it's suspicious, okay? So,
yeah, because Rari left us like.
you don't let me
I was
finish.
about to get
Are
my
you
money
going
out
to
the
let me
car.
finish? So, I stop. If everything checks out, we're good, right? You say you didn't steal. You say you didn't steal anything. You guys didn't do it. We got cameras. We'll check it. If they got it wrong, guess what? You get to go. But if that's not the case, then we're doing something else. You're not helping yourself by sitting there yelling and talking to somebody that has nothing to do with your actions if you carry it out.
She's shaking her head. What's she
If-
shaking her head for? Like,
With a firm, I know y'all probably don't work. Y'all probably don't use it because y'all probably got
Don't use what?
a firm. Like you know when you pay for your a firm, they pay for your whole card, then you pay it off overtime on the app. That's what I did, and I scanned my phone thing. My phone went dead after I scanned it, so I pushed my card up thinking that it went through. I didn't turn around to check for no receipt. I don't need no receipt when I spend my money, so I just let it go through. And I walked out. When he was like, where your receipt at? I don't got no receipt at. He said, give me the card. I gave him the card.
But you would have a receipt on your phone, correct?
Yes, but my phone is dead. Like, it's not turning on. My phone went dead as soon as I did the Affirm thing.
Okay. You got ID on you.
No, I don't got no idea on it.
How old are you?
I'm 19.
And how old are you, ma'am? 21. And forgive me if I'm asking a silly question, but we're talking like biological mom, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
He talking about, we'll look alike to you or something.
You don't.
We talking about biological mom or something.
Why is that?
Because I don't like that, but because I'm in here trying to explain to y'all that if it ain't go through, I understand that. But I paid with my Affirm, and my phone went dead right after that. When he asked me, did I have a receipt at the door? I said I don't have a receipt. He said get a card up. I gave it to him, no hesitation. If I was stealing, I would have overdid my stuff. Defending myself would have did the most. I gave him the card because I paid with my Affirm. I seen the barcode thing. If you replay the camera, you see me. Look at the camera. That's me. What you see? What the fuck my head?
Act like
Still, suppression arguments here face a real obstacle. Under Rhode Island versus Innis, statements volunteered before formal interrogation begins fall outside Miranda's reach entirely. The question is whether the statements in this footage were elicited or spontaneous. That line determines whether any of it is suppressible. On the initial detention, Terry versus Ohio requires only reasonable, articulable suspicion. Dispatcher reports of confirmed merchandise theft and active flight from the premises satisfied that standard before the officer made contact with anyone inside the store. This detention was legally clean at the point of initiation.
Register and then you walk away.
No, I was paying my Affirm. You see my phone now, G. Stop playing with me. So dead ass. Ain't no acting like shit. I paid with my Affirm account and my shit went dead. And I did not know it didn't go through until you stopped me at the fucking door. That's that. He's racist ass, G. He racist as hell, folks. He racist. You see me, look, you see me clicking on stuff. He racist.
He might just be jaded.
Talking about some, I waved.
Jaded, meaning dealing with a lot of negative stuff. And so
And that's fine, I understand that, but don't take that out of me because I didn't steal nothing. I showed you my bag. My bag is empty.
Hey, Brianna.
No.
With the Affirm thing, this is an app, right?
That I could go show you on the barcode. I could go to self-checkout with you right now and show you what I did.
Understood. What happens if you, I mean, because I don't know.
Like it's an app, like you pay for like Affirm. The app pays for your car as soon as you buy it, but you have to pay them back a certain amount every 2 weeks or even every couple of days over the time.
Just like a credit card, but it's an app.
That's how it works.
Okay.
That's how it works with Affirm.
What happens when you, like when he asks you for the stuff and you bought a bunch of stuff and you leave it here and you leave, you start to pay.
That's what I'm saying. My
you still have to
phone
pay for
dead.
it?
Yes, Affirm paid for it. What I'm supposed to do? My phone dead.
Brianna, too, how Affirm works through Walmart is you have to order everything online. So, and nothing.
I didn't know that when I got to the thing because he said Affirm. I'm like, I can save you some money today. I said, I'm not gonna pay with cash. I'm gonna pay with Affirm. That's why I clicked on it because I thought I could pay with Affirm. If the lady who's in stepchild watching it, if she would have came up to me and told me like, if you pay with Affirm, you have to order your groceries ahead of time. She did not say nothing. She asked me what I was paying for. I said I paid with Affirm, and she watched us walk past her. She didn't say nothing. When you came, when we walked out, you was like, that's what I'm saying. You was like, where your receipt? I was like, I don't have one. You said, give me the card. I gave it to you with no hesitation. I didn't argue with you. I didn't try to fight you, push you down. You was being funny towards me. Somebody, where your ride at? Where your ride at? They left you. Now y'all walking. Woo woo this. You ain't have to do that. On my kids. You ain't have to disrespect me because I didn't disrespect you. I gave you y'all card. Even though my phone went dead, I didn't know that my phone went through or not. You telling me that it has to. I'm from Georgia. It worked different in Peoria. I can pay on the. That's what I'm saying. See, I didn't know that when it gave me the option that self-checkout, I thought I could pay with Affirm.
I get that. But how you use Affirm, though, is only through online. It's not a store aspect thing, so you would only ever use it online. If you were using Affirm today, you would not have gone in the store to get your item. We get them for you, and we drop them off to your vehicle. That's how that works.
All right, go ahead and step out for me, please. Please do not run. I ran the Chicago Marathon. I will catch you.
I'm not gonna run. Okay. I'm not like you.
Hey, all right, it's a different thing. You saw the same thing.
No, this is the same thing. So what did we go through? Like, we explained the situation. We seen it was a misunderstanding with the Affirm payment thing. With Affirm, and I didn't.
Hold on, I'll talk to you in a second. Hold on. If you tell me the truth, we'll work with you. If you don't, you will not like it. Okay. So let me just say something here to you now. You have the right to remain silent. So I just chased that gray car through a field, down all the way almost to Peoria. Okay. So
why don't you step out there with him and you step out right here with me while he talks to her?
That'll work. And then I'll come talk to you too. So I just asking you to be cooperative, okay? If you cooperate and all you did was steal some stuff, I'll give you a ticket and a court date, and you'll walk out of here. If you lie to me, I promise you I'm going to make it different.
That's what we just explained it here that it was a misunderstanding. In Peoria, I can pay with Affirm on my phone. I can scan a barcode. My phone is there right now. You see in the camera, I pulled my phone out and scanned the barcode. My barcode went through, but the phone went dead, so I didn't know it did not go through until you stopped me at the door.
How did you get here?
My mom. The same person you chased, that's my mom.
So she brought you all here today. So,
yes.
And she ditched you all to here.
Yes.
That is terrible.
Like we stuck in Washington. Oh, I stay in Peoria. I have a whole baby. I'm not finna steal nothing. I came in here. I scanned everything.
who else was with you? It's you, her, the girl I had here, and your mom. That's it? There's no one else?
The girl in the red jacket, y'all seen.
Yeah. So your mom left all three here and took off. Why? Does she have warrants or something? What's the deal? She does? That's why
I
she
don't
ran?
know. I think so. She took my other sister.
Because she was outside in the car. She
That's what I'm
wasn't
saying.
here.
Her and my sister left us. They did not come back in the store and say we finna go or nothing. They just left.
They just left
When
you.
he took my car, I'm going to the car to try to explain the situation to my mom. I'm running towards the car to try to explain to her so she can come pay for my car.
Sure.
To try to talk to the man. She disappeared. He picking at me. Someone said, where your ride at? They left you. Woo woo this. So I'm running around the parking lot looking for my mom. He's like, your ride left you. Ha this. Ha that. I'm like, what you mean?
So what it comes down to, though, is you have these items. You did not pay for them. Okay? I'm going to write you a ticket. You're going to have a court date to go to. Your mom is in a world of shit. If she ran from me, I will find her. There's no question. Okay? So she can come turn herself in, and I'll be cool with her, or she can hide, and I'll come pull her out of bed if I have to. Okay? So you can tell her that at a later date. Are these the other two ladies going to tell me the same thing that you're telling me?
Yes.
Okay, I hope so, because I mean I don't like it when people lie to me.
Nobody's
Okay?
lying to you. I promise you.
All right. Red pants, come in here, please. Thank you. All right. Brianna, her last name is Buntley. Is she a sister, a friend, a cousin? What is she?
She's my friend.
Friend? Okay. How about Dunnigan? The other girl, you don't know her? Dunnigan.
That little girl?
Ronisha. Okay. So the driver of the car, you know her? I mean, it's Kamaya's mom, right? So did you realize you guys didn't pay for everything, or what? What happened?
No, like she said she was reading the shit up and she was playing on the little app thing, walking outside. Her phone went dead. I don't know, I ain't gonna lie. And then I was going to get my money in my car so I could pay for that stuff. I ain't gonna lie, I just walked out with it.
So you came into Walmart without any money to buy something?
No,
so
my money was in my car. Like
Okay.
the car that I came in is
Right.
right in the car. So I'm thinking I'm bringing it in, but I didn't bring it in until I checked my wallet or whatever. The money went in.
Okay, and then you walked out without the items. That's what you
No, I
said.
was going to get it until he stopped us and stuff. So.
Did you have items with you when they did? I mean, you had the items with you, right? Okay. So what? I mean, you're being cooperative. I'm gonna give you, like I told her, I'll give you a court date, and you show up at court. If you don't show up at court, they'll give you a warrant. It's in the courthouse is in Beacon. It's in Tazewell County.
I'm not gonna lie.
Since I'm not gonna take you to jail, let me take a picture. 1, 2, 3. Thank you.
Why you taking it? Why you being petty?
Oh, you gotta look at the camera. 1, 2. There we go. Thank you.
So what she has told me is that they all came here together.
Yeah, they did like come on.
Yeah,
They
I
all
took
came
some.
here to steal things.
Like,
She personally stole a few clothes. Is that what
yeah,
it was?
because I needed clothes.
Which is
Yeah, well,
all
she
that
said that.
merchandise is still.
See, I did say that.
Okay.
I told him.
I apparently I apologize.
That's why I said you misunderstood. He misunderstood because I said that.
What's the name of the driver again? Last name Gibbons, but what was her first name? The driver of the car, Kamaya's mom, Malika. She came in too.
Everybody came.
Okay. Okay.
I ain't interrupt your conversation. My mom, me, Ronisha came through this door. Jazz and my other sister came through that door. That's why I wanted to tell you.
Okay. I see that in the video, but thank you for telling me that. But why would she leave you?
I don't know.
I mean, it's your mom, right?
That's what I'm saying. I don't know why she left us.
And she drove. I mean, she went through a field. I mean, it was crazy. It was going over 100 mile an hour through red light. So I don't know. I would never left my kid like that. But I don't know if you guys got something
That's
going
what me
on.
and Jazz was saying. I'm like, bro, my mom ain't never leave me. That's why we was running through the parking lot. Cause I'm telling Jazz, I'm like, I don't see her car nowhere. I checked over there to try to see that she move over there. I'm like, she ain't never just leave us here.
Yeah.
We stay all the way in Peoria.
Yeah. Okay.
How you just gonna leave your kids?
All right. So I'm going to write you a ticket. You'll have a court date you have to go to. Okay, and that'll be that. They don't want you back at Walmart. They're going to give you paperwork saying you are banned from Walmart. Okay, just so you know. And that's every Walmart, not just this one. Okay? I'll drive her the car. I'm going to find her, and she'll have a little bit more charge than I know you know who she is.
You said you gonna call my mom.
I have to come find her at 3 in the morning and pull her out of bed.
But she could come to the Washington Police Department, get some tickets.
Yeah, if she comes to Washington Police Department, I will be cool with her. I promise you that.
No, you're
If
not.
I have to, oh yeah, I will.
She made you. You have
I'll
to
get
take
the tickets just like I'm giving you.
You won't be mad at
You
her?
said you was all through the field.
Yeah. Well, I didn't drive to the field. She did. I'm not going to wreck my car.
So I'm not gonna wreck my car.
If she comes, I'll give her some tickets and she'll be good too. But if I have to come find her, it's not going to be fun. Right?
I can call somebody. I need some damn.
We good?
I'm all good. You're all free to go.
Hope your day gets better.
Have a good day. Rest of y'all.
A race-based stop without independent factual predicate violates the 14th Amendment's Equal Protection Clause. That predicate existed here documented in dispatch before contact. The constitutional analysis follows the evidentiary record, not the subjective experience of the subjects. When the factual basis is on the radio log, the equal protection argument does not survive. Illinois Compiled Statute 72516-25 defines retail theft as knowingly taking merchandise with intent to deprive the merchant of its full retail value. Intent is the dispositive element. On-camera admissions of intent, made voluntarily, satisfy that element without needing any other evidence. The intent element has a direct challenger in this footage. A subject who hands over her payment card to loss prevention without argument is behaving in a manner inconsistent with someone who knew she hadn't paid. That conduct is relevant to the intent analysis under the statute, and a defense attorney will use it. The complication is structural. Affirm does not process payments at Walmart's in-store self-checkout terminals. It operates exclusively through online orders fulfilled curbside. If no transaction was ever possible at that terminal, the subject's belief that she paid was a platform misunderstanding, not a failed payment. Honest mistake negates intent. Platform misuse does not. Illinois Compiled Statutes 625-511-204.1 defines aggravated fleeing as flight involving speeds more than 21 miles per hour over the posted limit, red light violations, or endangering persons or property. The statute does not require all three. Any one qualifies. The conduct here satisfied multiple grounds simultaneously. Illinois Compiled Statutes 725-9-3, reckless homicide, becomes relevant when flight creates risk of death or great bodily harm to others. That threshold was approached here. Terminating the pursuit was the correct call, because a shoplifting offense does not justify a pursuit that transfers lethal risk to the public. Illinois Compiled Statute 725-31-1 prohibits knowingly obstructing a peace officer in the performance of an authorized act. Applied to Kamaya Gibbons, the charge reflects both her organizational role in the group and conduct during the investigation. The statute does not require physical interference. Active obstruction of an inquiry is sufficient. The officer's handling reflects disciplined de-escalation under pressure. No force was escalated across a 19-minute multi-subject contact. Prosecutorial discretion, citations over custodial arrest for cooperative subjects, was applied consistently. The Miranda delivery gap is the one legally significant failure, and it is the kind that suppression motions are built on. The first detainee made incriminating admissions without invoking her right to silence and without requesting counsel, despite receiving at least a partial Miranda warning. Practical cooperation produced a better immediate outcome. It also produced a statement in the evidentiary record that her own attorney will now have to work around. Brianna Buntley's legal position is stronger than her co-subjects, not because of what she said, but because her conduct at the scene aligns with her stated account. Consistency between claimed intent and observable behavior is the foundation of a credible defense. Whether the payment records corroborate it is a separate question, but the in-scene conduct helps. Malika Higgins faces the most serious statutory exposure of anyone in this footage. Voluntary surrender the same day mitigates the manner of contact, not the underlying conduct. Aggravated fleeing under Illinois Compiled Statutes 625-511-204.1 is charged on what was captured before surrender, not on what happened after. First lesson: custody plus questioning triggers Miranda. Regardless of whether the officer has finished the warning, if the full 4 elements have not been delivered, stop talking. Spontaneous statements may still be admissible, but anything said in response to a question before a complete advisement is a suppression argument that should have been unnecessary. Second lesson: a payment dispute at the point of sale is not resolved by leaving the store. Exiting with merchandise before confirming the transaction cleared provides the factual predicate for a retail theft charge under Illinois Compiled Statutes 725-16-25, regardless of what the subject believed. Third lesson: the driver's decision to flee expanded legal exposure for everyone connected to the incident. Charges that might have resolved at the misdemeanor level acquired felony dimensions the moment that vehicle left the parking lot. Flight multiplies consequences. It does not reduce them. Let us know what you want covered next.